Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do echo reach outs. So first I'm going to log into the backend, then I'm going to click on this tab echo reach outs. To start with echo reach outs, first you have to sign up on this link that is provided here. So I'll click on the link, I'll provide my details. Okay, uh, all the mandatory fields you have to fill. I'm just going to put something here right now. Okay. So these are the fields that I have to select. No need to write any company name and anything. I'm going to do this and I'm going to click on create account. As I click on create account, it will give me an API access key. As you can see, to do echo reach outs, this key is very important. So as soon as you create your account, this key will be visible to you. You have to copy this copy this key from here, come back to this tab, the backend, and go to this provide your API key here. I'm going to click here. This will take me to the edit profile option on the backend, and I'm simply going to paste this key here and I'm going to click on add. Now I'm ready to do the echo reach outs. I'll go to echo reach outs. Let me tell you what echo reach out is. So echo reach out is we are sending an email. Yeah, right. We are reaching out to the experts who are curated on the app and not really present on the app, but they have been curated for. So we are creating an awareness for them that they are popular on our app and there are followers who would want to learn from them so that we can get them on a platform. So first I have to create a template for the email. So I'm going to click on create template. The list of templates already created would show here. Right now there are none, so I'm going to add a template. First I have to choose a profession for which I am going to create a template, right? So for example, I'm going to choose human resource professional here. Yeah. So email subject, this is something that you don't have to deal with. Okay. Email body, wherever in the email body you see don't touch, that part you don't have to do anything. You don't have to edit it, right? The email will start with your introduction. Okay. These parts where it is written don't touch, you don't have to edit anything. This will be automated when you send an email. Okay. So in this paragraph, in the second paragraph, you're going to give your bio, your details, right? Okay. And link them to the profession that you've chosen, right? How that expert has inspired you, what have you learned from him, things like that you can give here. Now in the next paragraph you can edit and you can write a few sentences about what you want to achieve in life and how the expert's guidance can help you achieve that. In the end you will write a thanking note and click on submit. Make sure you don't edit anything that says don't touch, right? Click on submit. So as you can see, the template has been stored. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go again on echo reach out. Now we want to send an email. All right. Here I'm going to select a profession. As you can see, it is showing human resource professional. As I've created a template for it, I'm going to select it. It is going to give me a list of experts in human resource professionals, right? So I'm going to select an expert here. Okay. Then it is going to show me a list of questions that have been curated for that expert. Okay. Let's say I've selected this. Yeah. So as you can see, there are a lot of questions here. I'll select one of the questions. Let's say I select this. When I select this, I'll get an option of send message. Okay. I click on send message. After clicking on send message, this will redirect me to my Gmail account from which I'll be sending the email, right? So as you can see, the email address has already been added, right? The subject has already been added and the template that you created has already been added. You can edit anything if you want to do that, right? The profile page for the expert has also been added. Everything is added, right? If you want to edit anything in the message that you've typed, you can do that, right? And you can click on send. So this email will get sent to the person. This is how you do an echo reach out.